Jim from Fantasea Scuba, Throwback Thursday. So, we've been talking about double hose regulators a little bit. You guys are familiar with that back in the day. So how about a little brief history on single hose regulators? So, in the early to mid 50s, single hose regulators were pretty much adapted from other parts. This is a very early example, one of the first single hose regulators. This was produced by Rose Aviation in Aurora, Ohio. So Rose Aviation took parts they had existing. So this was like an oxygen regulator that they would use in aircraft applications. And they forged out a yoke, stuck it on there so it would fit on a scuba tank, and then made their own second stage. Second stage is pretty cool. It's held together actually by the mouthpiece. Okay, so it has like a diaphragm here. It had the exhaust over here, like a lot of modern regulators do. This is a tilt valve design. So what happened in this tilt valve design, it has like a stem sticking out here, so that when you inhale, it would just rock and it would crack open the port, let the air in. So a lot of these early regulators were not a downstream design like we have now. So they had OPVs on them, overpressurization valves. So if there was a malfunction, that would pressurize, that would like let the extra pressure out. Another early one, this is a Nimrod Snark. This was imported from Spain. Okay, looks kind of similar, a little bigger second stage. This one actually, same thing with the tilt valve, but this one actually had a purge on it where you could purge the regulator. Right? Aqualung's entry into that came in 1957. Here's a catalog, and this was called an Aquamatic. Okay, so the Aquamatic, again, nice little small first stage. You notice there's no other ports on this thing, so it is what it is. You got one hose going down to the second stage, which looks very similar to that Snark. Again, no purge valve, right? Okay, that's it for Throwback Thursday today. Thank you very much.